everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to do online admission process in OpenEduCat. In order for me to do that, we get to log into the system. I'm going to enter my username, password after that. Click on login. Wait a moment. From this page, we can click on our menu. We can click on admissions. We can click on admission registers. We can click on create. In this page, it is very much mandatory for us to create admission registers prior to the online admission process. I'm going to enter the name for the admission register. Course I can select from the list. Wait a moment. Start date, end date, we can double check. It has been popped in there. Course fees, we can select product for that. Minimum number of admission, we can enter there also. Moving on, we can double check on maximum number of admission and we can enter the students in the applications. After that, we can go to the left top side, we can click on save option. Then we can click on confirm option. Click on start application. We can go back to the menu. We can click on our website. We can go to our website, click on that. Wait a moment. Once we are into our website, we can click on registration tab. We can select the course from the selection list. We can enter the first name for the student, middle name. We can have it in the capital letter if you like. Gender for the student, date of birth. Email address for the student. Student can enter all their personal information in this online registration page. Mobile number also. Street address. City also. We can get the zip code for the student which they can enter. Country. They can select from the list. Next thing, we can click on next. It will say your application has been confirmed. Now we can go back to the menu. Wait a moment. We can click on admissions. We can click on our admission register. And we can double check all the information for that student. This is how online admission process has been done for you at OpenEduCat. Thank you so much for your time.